portable handheld car vacuum cleaner. Inside the box are the following: vacuum cleaner, 2-in-1 brush, hose, power cable and adapter, cleaning brush, and user's manual. Here are the product features of this portable handheld vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner weighs only 1.3 pounds. This is portable, small, and compact enough to move it around. It is also very cool and stylish. This is good for quick pickups and light-duty cleaning. Since it is small and lightweight, it makes it easy to grab and clean as you go without the heavy lifting of a regular vacuum. Takes up very little space and great for small jobs and tight spaces. This cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is equipped with 2 different attachments to better meet your cleaning needs. Use it with a brush and the hose that is suited for hard-to-reach places. This cordless car vacuum cleaner utilizes a super strong motor with powerful suction. With the noise-reducing technology, it produces noise lower than 75 dB. It is very helpful to do daily cleaning needs. This mini vacuum cleaner adapted high-capacity battery. You can fully charge this battery within 4 to 5 hours. This is the portable handheld vacuum cleaner.